One of the things we definitely are going to recommend, especially if it's your first time using Chroma, is to get one of our Bona Starter Kits for the Chroma. We're going to do a little unboxing here together. So what comes inside of the kit is everything you're going to need for your first Chroma job. It's going to come with 3 different white pads, which we're going to use in the process. It's going to come with a roller. It's going to come with 10 terry cloths. It's going to come with booties, gloves, an attachment piece for the handle. It's going to come with a mixing kit. It's going to come with your own mop that you can then use for the process. It's going to come with a cut-in pad, roller handle, and lastly, everything that everybody's been wanting is the new Bona bucket for, you can use this for chrome applications, you can use this for finish applications. So all of that is going to come inside of the starter kit. It's going to give you literally everything that you need to get going on the job, outside of, a handle for the roller and everything like that. But inside this kit is going to help you really kind of launch your chroma experience.